we are today at 101 Floresta Drive here in McDonough, Georgia, on a home that sits on nearly a 1 acre lot. Huge yard, quiet community. Nice rainbow. We just got some rain not too long ago. Beautiful backyard, as you can tell. We'll take a look out from the kitchen area here in a moment of that view in the backyard. But for now, let's take a look at what 101 has to offer inside. Home is just in immaculate condition inside. I think you're going to like what you're going to see. Gas assist fireplace over there with the artificial logs. We have a vaulted ceiling fan lighting fixture. Here's our formal dining area. That door leads out to the backyard. Look at these granite countertops. Granite bar pass-through window there. Eat-in kitchen. Nice breakfast area. Pantry. Stainless steel appliances. Gas stove and oven. Stainless steel dishwasher, double sink. Look at that backsplash. Here's that view out in the backyard. Plenty of room to entertain out here. Again, plenty of cabinet space. Those granite countertops, stainless steel appliances really make this house a gem, and it will not last long on the market, I can assure you that. Here's our full bath. First door on the right. Again, we have granite countertops, ceramic tile flooring. Here on the left is our first bedroom. Two bifold doors for easy access into a very large closet. Plenty of storage in there. Linen closet there in the hall. If you were to enter from the garage, an automatic garage door opener. Room for a workbench up here at the front of the garage. Behind those bifold doors is the water heater. Down the hall on the right we have laundry area, washer dryer hookups, extra storage above, another bedroom here. Again, the two bifold doors for easy access into that closet. Lastly is the master suite with tray ceilings, ceiling fan light fixture. Plenty enough space in this bathroom and this master suite. A walk-in closet that is lighted, plenty of room to hang clothes. And lastly, the master bath. We have dual sinks. Again, we have granite countertops, ceramic tile floors. Have a garden tub. And we also have additional storage. Folks, if you'd like more information of how you can make this home yours here in McDonough at 101 Floresta Drive, simply come visit us at www.rentfrombravo.com.